In the Wild West, there was a train no one dared to rob. Not because it was guarded, but because no one ever came back. But one night, two outlaws decided to change that. A pig and a raccoon. They waited under the cold moonlight, watching the midnight train approach. Fast, silent, deadly. They jumped on, expecting gold. But what they found was something far worse. Far worse. This wasn't a train carrying treasure. It was carrying cursed souls. Shadows moved. Whispers echoed. And escape was no longer an option. So instead of running, they did the unthinkable. They chose to fight. No one knows what happened that night. But when the train was found, it was empty. No gold, no bodies. Only one thing remained. A glowing watch, still ticking.
Watch kept ticking, but something was wrong. It wasn't counting time. It was counting down. At sunrise, the train stood silent in the desert, like a corpse. No crew, no bodies, no gold, only footprints leading away. Grizzle and Rift survived, but not unchanged. As they walked through the dry desert, Rift couldn't shake the feeling something was following them. Not behind them, but within them. Grizzle's shadow moved wrong, delayed, alive. We didn't escape, he said. We brought something with us. The watch began ticking faster, louder, faster. Throw it away, Rift shouted. But Grizzle only whispered, too late. Then the ground darkened, shadows stretched, and something began to rise. Not from the world, but from Grizzle himself. A debt must be paid. The voice wasn't his. Not anymore. Rift, run! For a moment, everything stopped. Fear, silence, choice. Then, Rift picked up the watch, smiled, and said, "We ain't done robbing yet. If that train was a prison, then we're breaking back in." Far away, a train whistle echoed again. The watch stopped. Tick. And somewhere beyond this world, a door opened. But they weren't alone. Beyond the world they knew, beyond the tracks they crossed, something was watching, waiting. The train was never just a prison. It had a keeper, a collector, a conductor. Someone disturbed my train.
They took what does not belong to the living. Every soul on this train is a debt unpaid. And now, they carry my mark. You cannot rob this train without becoming part of it. I will collect what is owed.